Alright guys, we're at the job site. We got a little, it's too windy out there to do talk on it, so that's why I'm going to do a little bit of talking right here. It's going to take a little bit. We're going to use an excavator back there on the seawall. We're going to make a drainage ditch line. We call it dry creek bed, to where water can flow along it. I'll show everybody what that is, but we're at the next job. We're going to get started, and you get to watch. That is what we call a dry creek bed. It's not done yet, but it will be tomorrow morning. It's pretty cool. Hi everybody, so we got done there today. We got the dry creek bed done. We got the edges cut out, did some grading. We're gonna get a load of topsoil in tomorrow, and we'll finish grading that. We're gonna bring in the excavator tomorrow to dig along the seawall there, so we can fix that up, and then we should be about done with that tomorrow. But now we're gonna head out to the property, unload all of our tools, clean out the trucks, and then call it a day. So we'll see you at the property. Alright, we're back at the property now. We're gonna unload it and then call it a day. At some point tomorrow I have to move this camper. I gotta take it to my house. But yeah. Alright. So that's gonna be it for tonight. That's our landscaping day. We'll see you tomorrow morning.
Okay. Scott's site. Good morning. How are you today? What I expect done is the creek bed. I expect the seawall done, the edging done, the 2-inch river rock, the rubber liner done, the swales, the dirt down. I expect a lot done.
Hey guys, it's Wednesday morning. It's 52 degrees out. We're gonna head to the property right now after the meetings, and then get loaded up for the next job site. We'll see you at the property. Alright, we're at the job site. We're unloaded. We got the guys working. It's gonna be a good day. Nice sunny day out. So let's get started. right, guys, that's it for the day. We didn't quite finish that job. We're gonna send a couple guys over there tomorrow to finish that while the rest of us go start this really big job that we got. Good amount of pallets. They're all sitting at the job property here. So we're gonna start that tomorrow. So I'm gonna end the video here. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video of the big job. See you later.